Look at these tips. All right, y'all ready for this? Yes, sir. Yo, what is going on, guys? I just made it on over to my buddy Zach's house. Haven't seen him in the vlogs lately, but the one with the black R32 chilling over there, the Volkswagen, looking way better than mine. Today, man, we got 3 videos in one. I already made one video, which y'all seen earlier with the introduction of my Mustang. That's why I'm gonna be wearing the same shirts in the same video. Gonna be making the introduction today, installing the X-pipe today, cutting off the resonators for the car. We're gonna make this thing loud, man. And plus, I got one more little mod coming for the car. But first, I'm about to eat me some Subway, and we about to get on, man, because I'm actually, again, about to polish these Roush tips that I got. Okay, my battery just died in the camera, but we are about to go ahead and polish up these Roush tips right here, because as you can see, they're a little bit caked up. So I don't know if I might do a tutorial on that or not. I might not have time today, but we're just gonna go get these polished up right now, and then we'll show you what they look like after. Get a closer look at the clean R32 with the mean front end we got going on here. Got the carbon fiber mirrors over here, the white wheels, the blue Brembos. These cars are rare. You barely see these cars, so anytime you see them, it's like they automatically look nice. And then back here behind us, we got his dad's 5.0 box body. It's a Vortex supercharged. We're not gonna get the hood open right now, but it's pretty clean. This thing is immaculate. Got the curb view, freaking seats up in here, clean. To the vlog, Mr. Zach, what's going on? Welcome to the vlog. Finally, he don't even know how to drive. I missed this spot right here. He drove the back of this car into the Ram over there and rammed the back of his back bumper because he don't know how to drive. Because he don't know how to fucking drive. You better not mess my pipes up. You better do this right in 1 second. I'm about to eat my Subway. We threw the tips. We letting them soak and degrease up in this cleaner degreaser right here. This is from, I don't know, this company Cone in Illinois. I'm not sure if you can order it or not, but I'm pretty sure any degreaser would work well for this stuff. I'm not gonna do a tutorial. This is just the process of what we're doing. Just letting it soak in here. We shining. This is mostly coming off. Like we shining. It's just a little touch up right here. Wait till we polish it. Man, y'all check this out. Look at these tips. We shining now. Yes, sir. Bling bling. That sunshine. Mr. Zach over here came in clutch. I ain't clean them up too much, but it's definitely way better than before, as you can see. Now, the tips were off of the car. That it makes it much easier to clean down the tips. Zach, my buddy right here, he actually cleaned his tips the same way with his tips on there. All you gotta do is just take that degreaser and just, you know, scrub it down a little bit, as long as it's not that bad. These tips were not that bad, so it don't look too bad, but they definitely looking better than before. So let's get on into it, man. Now we're about to go install this X-pipe. Okay, we just pulled up to Chicago Mufflers, my muffler shop that I usually take my car to all the time. Now let's see what arm and leg price he's gonna charge me to put this X-pipe on. I'm probably gonna cut off the resonators and the mufflers, or one other ones. I don't know. We're gonna test it out in here and see what it sounds like. Got the car in the air right now. About to put the S-pipe under it and see what they can do, see what work they can do with it, and hopefully everything turns out good and we come out sounding great. Okay guys, as you can see, we are under the car right now. These are the resonators right here, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, they can just 2 of them under here. All right, that's not bad. My other Mustang had 4, or actually 6. Well, 2 cats. No, I think it was 6, the 1999s. But then we got the H-pipe right here. This one kind of looks a little bit weird.
This is like a flexible. Huh? It's like a flexible.
A flexible? Only 2014s. I never been under my Mustang like this, but this is the underneath, and then we got the cats right here. So
this right.
it's looking like it. tips compared to the stock tips. I cleaned those up a little bit, definitely looking way better than those guys for sure. We're just testing out and see if this is gonna fit. I'm not sure if it might or may not. Sounding a lot better, guys. It's trying to get that extra rasp out of it. I gotta find how to get the extra rasp out. But for sure, this is sounding good, man. Definitely, they had to delete those mufflers. Y'all seen it when I had the mufflers on there and it made no noise. Now we deleted the mufflers and we sounded good now. I can live with this for a minute until I change it again. But let's get on out of here because my phone is about to die and my camera's dead too. So thanks to these guys here at Chicago Mufflers, man. He only hit me up for about $1.90, a little bit more. We just got the resonators deleted, the mufflers deleted, and the X pipe put on. And we are sounding good, man. We are sounding good, for sure. We'll get a little something for y'all in a minute. It's definitely doing justice right now. I gotta ask them if they plug these O2 sensors up first, though. Okay, y'all, I don't know why I still got this mask on. Ooh-wee! Yes, sir. 2 months. Oh, snap. The muffler's back there acting up. All right, y'all ready for this? Yes, sir. Look at this.